Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the hard drive on this MacBook Air. This MacBook uses SATA SSD. Okay, everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. These are videos for education purpose only. Thank you. And it's a good idea to back up your files every week, every 2 weeks, just in case something happens when you fix a device. Then you have your backup. Okay. Also, please wear this bracelet. Is anti-static every time you open an electronic device. And we're gonna use 2 screwdrivers. This is a Torx 1.2 right here, and this one is 2.0. Okay, so first we need to turn it off. Make sure you turn off the MacBook. It's very important. Shut down. Okay, and we're gonna remove 10 screws. Okay, just flip it back. Okay, this is, we need to remove 10 screws. Okay, so these two in the middle are longer, and the other ones are the same size. But I always stick it, after I remove it, I stick it in this magnetic. So, and I always put it by order. So like this one here, and then another. So that way, when I put it back, it's easy to put it back. Because sometimes in many electronics, the screws are different sizes. So that's why I always put it in order, because I don't remember where the screws go. Some people have a good memory and they just remember everything, but I don't. Be careful also, because these screws are so tiny, and sometimes they jump, and you don't see them again. Also, be careful if your kids are around. Make sure they don't grab it, because they can harm themselves with these screws. Okay. Let me remove this one. There is the corner, and then after that, I'm gonna remove the long ones that I told you. See? Okay. See, I put them in order. Okay. And now I just remove this cover over here. Okay, and now this is the SATA SSD. It has only one screw right here. So then we're gonna use the Torx 2.0. Be careful, do not damage the screw, because if you damage the screw, then it's really hard to remove it. Okay, after you remove the screw, just lift it a little bit like that, and then pull it. Okay, and that's the way you remove it. And then to put it back, just go like a diagonal a little bit. Here, got it stuck here, so let me remove this cable. Okay, like that. You see, make sure it goes all the way through, and then make sure it's, you see right here, it should be well aligned. And then I'm gonna put this cable back. Make sure it's, let me check again. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna put the screw back. Okay, you see, it's well aligned here, and this cable is okay. So now I'm gonna put back the cover and the screws. Okay, so just put the cover back, make sure it's aligned, and then start putting the screws. Don't tie it all the way yet. We're gonna do that in the end. Now I always put the corner first. 3 corners. These are so tiny. I use magnifying glass because I don't see very well, so I'm using a magnifying glasses. Like I said, don't tie it, make sure it goes straight. Okay. Okay, so one more. Okay. Okay, so now we can start tie them up, but let's tie the corners first. Okay. You can tie this one, not over tie, just one stop, because you can we can damage the screw or the plastic or the or you can break something, and then it's gonna be difficult to fix it. Okay. Also make sure you don't scratch the plastic, because it's really easy to scratch these computers. Okay. Make sure they are all tied up. Okay. Okay, so you see, looks really good. Now flip it over. Okay guys, that's the way you replace the hard drive on a MacBook Air. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe, and check my other videos. Thank you so much.